We're making a beautiful daffodil project. Today, we're making the daffodils. Hold your glue bottle. Put one hand on the carrot. Twist the carrot to open your glue. The carrot should go up and leave a little space under. Squeeze the bottle. You should hear a quiet hiss of air escaping, or you may see a drop of glue come out of the top. Then, put your glue bottle on the table. Do that now and then stop. First, draw a circle of glue above your stems, like this. Then, place a yellow star on top. Do that now and then stop. Now, draw a circle of glue on your stars, like this. Then, place cupcake petals on top. Do that now and then stop. It's time to add cups and ladybugs. This is my favorite part. Make 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Just a dot. Put a cup on each dot. 1, 2, 3. Now, make 5 dots any place you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a ladybug on each dot. Try not to get glue on your fingers. Now, let it dry and don't touch it. For a finishing touch, we'll put a little orange marker inside the cups, like this. There's 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit for the center of our beautiful daffodils. Do that now and then stop.